Dear student, we are in our third lecture of NEET of the chapter classification of 11 for NEET in JEE. This one is last lecture for revision of your NEET. We will start a new chapter in our next lecture. So here we will complete this chapter. So it is very important theoretical base. Now in a numerical sum from this chapter, listen. Diamagnetic. First, magnetic property. Here we are discussing about magnetic property. The substance ની magnetic property ની વાત કરશું. Are weakly repelled by the applied magnetic field. The substance which experiences repulsion in the applied outermost magnetic field and have all the electrons are paired. Yes, sir. Sodium having 281, chlorine has 287. One is loosed by sodium, one is gained by chlorine. So now you can see all the electrons are paired in NaCl. So બધા electron જ્યારે paired હોય, so by nature it is a diamagnetic. એટલે magnetic region માં તે repulsion પામે છે. It experiences repulsion in outermost magnetic field. Here in water, oxygen has 6 electrons in outermost orbit. Hydrogen has 1. So 1 of hydrogen and 1 of oxygen makes a covalent bond. So here oxygen has total 8 electrons are now paired. Inner already paired, now outermost became paired. So it is diamagnetic by nature. Paramagnetic substances. Yes. Substances are attracted by the applied magnetic field. Whenever our substance attracts toward outer applied magnetic region, so it should be paramagnetic. Why? So it means that our substance should be having minimum 1 or more than 1 unpaired electrons. એટલે એમાં એક કે એક કરતા વધારે unpaired electron હોવા જોઈએ. So example is of Fe+3 and Cr+3. Tell me, atomic number of Fe is 26. So configuration should be 4s2 3d6. Here 3 electron is removed. So it will be 4s0 3d5. So here number of electrons are 5 in d orbital. So d orbitals are 5. All the 5 having 1 1 in each. So 5 is unpaired. So in chromium also there are unpaired electrons. So it experiences attraction toward magnet. So it is paramagnetic. What is ferromagnetic? Ferromagnetic substances keep their magnetism even and after the magnetic field is removed. Some substances behaves like a magnet in the presence of the magnet. But when we removes the magnet, then it maintains its magnetic nature. So that is the ferromagnetic. જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં લો ચુંબક કહીએ છીએ. MCQ પૂછાઈ ગયો. Which substances are useful to make a magnet? This part. Listen, one is not given here. Gadolinium, iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium and CrO2 is the most important substances to make element to make magnet. Electron is actually moving on its axis and on its orbital. Electron moves in orbit and also moves in on its axis. So due to axial revolution means spin only we are considering spin. So એના હિસાબે એનું magnetism we can derive by using this formula. Mu is equal to under root n plus 2 bm, where bm is Bohr magneton, where n is the unpaired electron and measured in Bohr magneton. One Bohr magneton is equal to Eh upon 4 pi mc. E means charge of electron, H means Planck constant, 4 is constant, pi is constant, m mass of the electron, c velocity of light. So here 9.27 into 10 raised to minus 21 erg per Gauss. This unit we are not using. This one also Tesla. Tesla is joule into Tesla is a SI unit, but in our syllabus ampere into meter square in chemistry. So 1 Bohr magneton is equal to, you have to only remember 9.27 into 10 raised to minus 24 ampere into meter square. 1 Bohr magneton જેટલું magnetism એટલે આટલું થાય ampere into meter square. Understood? Now inert pair effect. Yes, this point is important. Inert pair effect in the group number 13 to 16. એટલે આપણે જે group number 13 to 16 ભણીએ છીએ, એટલે I am talking about P block. Column means vertical line. Down the group, the stability of lower oxidation state increases. This is due to ineffective shielding of NS2 electron of valence shell by the intervening DNF electron. So NS2 electron do not participate in bond formation and behave as inert pair. Yes, sir. સમજાઈ ગયું? બધા હોશિયાર છો? સમજાવું. In the group number 13, listen. Elements are 5: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. 5, 13, 8, 18 add करो, 31, 18 add करो, 49, 32 add करो, so 81. boron, हीलियम પછી 2s2 2p1, હું આઉટર મોસ્ટ લખું 3s2 3p1, 4s2 4p1, 5s2 5p1, here 6s2 6p1, here xenon 55, then 4f40, then 5d10 and 6s2 6p1. So there are 3 electrons in outermost, so thallium plus 3, otherwise plus 1 oxidation state possible છે. Only one removes, આ તો બધી inert છે. Never take part in the formation of the bond. These 3, 6s છે, outermost 3 electron કેવા? These are not outermost. All are inert. All are internal. 6s2 6p1. So after 14 completed, 5d completed, xenon is completed, so contraction occurs. And due to contraction, attraction over paired electron increases. આ paired છે, આ unpaired છે. એટલે 6s ના જે paired છે એના ઉપર attraction વધી જાય, એટલે આ બે inert થઈ જાય. Is not taking part in the formation of bond. So thallium plus 3 is not possible. +3 બનાવવા જઈએ તો 1 6p માંથી અને 2 6s માંથી રિમૂવ કરવું પડે, વધારે હીટ આપવી પડે. So +1 is more stable than +3 and that is called inert pair effect. એટલે અંદરના ભરાયેલા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ કે જેમાં કોન્ટ્રેક્શન થાય એના કારણે ન્યુક્લિયસનું એટ્રેક્શન 6s ઉપર ઇન્ક્રીઝ થઈ જાય, એટલે 6p ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન ઓછું, 6s ઉપર વધારે, કારણ કે પેડ છે તો પેડ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ઉપર એટ્રેક્શન મોર હોય, અનપેડ ઉપર લેસ હોય, એટલે ઓન્લી વન ઇલેક્ટ્રોન રિમૂવ થાય, એટલે +1 is more stable than +3. In group number 14, કાંસી જટિલ in lead NS2 NP2 configuration. So here 6s2 6p2. So 6s upper like this inert pair effect. So lead gives +2 and +4 oxidation state, but due to inert pair effect 6s is not taking part in the formation of bond. So +2 is more stable than +4. In group number 15, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So here configuration is NH2 NP3. So bismuth 6 outermost 6s2 આમાંથી 3 remove થાય so +3, all 5 remove થાય so +5, but +3 is prominent, more stable, it means why inert pair effect આમાંથી 2 paired છે, આ મેટ્રિક્સ હાઈ થઈ જાય, અહીંયા 4f ને 5d ફિલ અપ થઈ ગયેલી છે એટલે હાઈ એટ્રેક્શન હશે, એટલે કે બિસ્મથમાં 4f 14 5d10 ફિલ અપ થયેલી છે, એટ્રેક્શન વધી જાય છે. This is the inert pair effect. Understood? We discussed is the inert pair effect. The group ma top to bottom જાઓ તો less oxidation number more dominant હોય છે. Lead +2 more stable. Group 13 thallium +1, bismuth +3 not +5. Factors that determine the stability of compound. Yes sir. The stability of a compound is due to following conditions. Stability of the compound we can define by the following factors. The compound must have high electronegativity of the element to excite electron from central atom to vacant orbitals. In the compound, elements should be high electronegativity. એટલે compound ની અંદર જે element હોય એની electronegativity high હોવી જોઈએ. An electron easily moves from central atom to vacant electron માં vacant orbital માં જઈ શકવા જોઈએ. The stability rise થાય. The central atom must have vacant orbital like aluminium. There should be one vacant orbital. Inert pair effect, yes, we discussed. So stability increases. Now fourth one, affecting factor, appropriate size of cation anion. For example, any size પણ appropriate હોવી જોઈએ. Appropriate size of cations and anions. For example, NH3 એટલે કે જે બે એટમ્સ વચ્ચે બોન્ડ બને છે, મોલેક્યુલ્સ બને છે, તો it should be એની સાઇઝ છે એ કમ્પલસરી પ્રોપર હોવી જોઈએ. Here nitrogen is small, so nitrogen is small, so it makes NH3. NCl3 also forms, but NH5 is not possible. There are two reasons. અહીંયા બે reasons છે. એક તો nitrogen has no d orbital, એટલે 2s2 2p3 છે, 2d નથી. એટલે 2s માં 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન, 2p માં 3, d તો છે ને એટલે 3 અનપેડ જ છે, એટલે પહેલું રીઝન એ છે. બીજું એ પણ છે કે નાઇટ્રોજન નાનો છે, તો આ હાઇડ્રોજન નાના, તો એ નાનાની પાસે નાના નાના એટમ્સ કેવી રીતે રહી શકે, એટલે NH5 કે NCl5, એટલે બે પોસિબિલિટીઝ જોઈએ. એક તો d ઓર્બિટલ નથી, પાછળની સાઇઝ પણ છે, નાઇટ્રોજન બહુ જ સ્મોલ છે, એટલે એની આસપાસ 5 હાઇડ્રોજન કે 5 ક્લોરીન, કારણ કે સેન્ટ્રલ એટમ બહુ નાનું થઈ જાય, તો 5 હાઇડ્રોજન કે 5 ક્લોરીન we can't arrange. PCl5 exists. Yes. Here phosphorus having d orbital, so it has 5 unpaired electrons, so it gives PCl5. But PBr5 is not possible. Why? Phosphorus is a central atom, small in size, where bromine, chlorine is small, but size is more than phosphorus. Here bromine, iodine is very huge in size. We can't arrange this number of 5 atoms around the phosphorus. So PBr5, Pi5 do not exist. Size, configuration also important of the stability of the molecule. In TiCl, thallium +1. In PbCl2, lead +2. BiCl3, bismuth +3 are more stable than TiCl. We discussed thallium +3 karta +1 is more stable. Lead +4 karta +2 is highly stable. And bismuth +5 karta +3 is more stable than +5. Now here IF7 only exists. Another chloride like bromide, iodide does not exist. Bane nahi. Iodine is huge in size, no problem. Fluorine is very small in size, so we can arrange 7 fluoride around the iodine. But ICl7 does not. Why? Chlorine is huge in comparison with fluorine. So 7 chloride never arranges around the iodine. So IBr7, ICl7 does not exist. AlCl3 exists as dimer, but BCl3 does not. Yes. In AlCl3, aluminium is actually having one empty orbital and also huge in size. So easily combines here with another chlorine. The size of aluminium is huge. Here vacant orbital. Any vacant orbital, any filled સાથે. Here vacant અને filled સાથે. અને lone pair સાથે combine થાય. It is possible only in AlCl3. Once again, in AlCl3, aluminium is combined with 3 chloride. Clear? One empty orbital. In another AlCl3, there is one also empty orbital. Any lone pair, any empty orbital સાથે. Any lone pair, any empty orbital સાથે combine. If possible due to size. But in BCl3, boron is very small. It has no any empty orbital. 2s2, 2p1. So one moves in 2p. There is one orbital empty. But what happens due to very small size, chlorine is surrounded completely to the boron. So it never combines due to size with another BCl3. So it never gives a dimer. Summary of trends of periodic properties. Yes, important. ઇન્ક્રીઝ એલોંગ ધ પીરિયડ. એટલે આ બધી પ્રોપર્ટી લખ્યું છે એ પીરિયડમાં લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઇટ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થશે અને ગ્રુપમાં ટોપ ટુ બોટમ ડિક્રીઝ થશે. આયનાઇઝેશન એન્થાલ્પી, ઇલેક્ટ્રોન એફિનિટી, electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity from left to right increases but top to bottom decreases. Lattice enthalpy, hydration enthalpy, Li plus sodium. હવે top to bottom જાય એટલે size increase થાય, attraction toward water decrease થઈ જાય. So hydration enthalpy decreases. Lattice enthalpy also decreases. But in left to right, lithium chloride, beryllium, boron, lattice enthalpy increases. Charge density. What is charge density? Charge of the ion upon size of the ion, and that ratio is called the charge density. Charge density increases. Now, metallic bonding. From top to bottom, metallic bonding increases. Non-metallic decreases. Non-metallic character decreases. કારણ કે top to bottom, lithium to cesium, metallic nature increase થાય. એટલે non-metallic decrease થાય. Acidic character of oxide P decrease થાય. Lithium oxide is a basic. Cesium oxide is more basic. So acidic nature decreases. But lithium to beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, basic character, acidic character increases. Now following trend increase down the group. આ બધી પ્રોપર્ટી છે ટોપ ટુ બોટમ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થશે પણ લેફ્ટ ટુ રાઇટ ડિક્રીઝ થશે. એટોમિક રેડિયસ, યસ, in the group it is increases, in the period it is decreases. Metallic character top to bottom increases, left to right decreases. Basic character of oxide, yes sir, cesium oxide is more basic than lithium oxide. Now electropositivity, the losing nature of electron, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium increases. Metallic character also increases. Some important facts are: metals have low ionization enthalpy and low electronegativity. એટલે બધી મેટલ છે એની આયોનાઇઝેશન એન્થાલ્પી and electronegativity less હોય છે. Metals have low ionization enthalpy less, electronegativity also less. એટલે તો it easily removes electron, whereas non-metals have high ionization enthalpy and high electronegativity. જ્યારે non-metals છે like nitrogen, fluorine, so electronegativity high and removal of electron needed heat is high, so ionization enthalpy is high. Non-metal now. Iodine sublimes on heating. When we take iodine and we are heating, so it gives the iodine gas, easily evaporate and convert into gaseous phase with metallic luster. Actually, iodine on heating convert into iodine gas, and only metals having luster, માત્ર metal ને shining હોય. Here non-metal. So we discussed iodine માં outermost electron છે એ sunlight માંથી energy absorb કરે અને excite થાય, અને electron પાછા original state ના આવે એટલે some kind of radiation releases, and so due to that it is a lustrous, it gives a shine. bromine is a liquid non-metal at room temperature. Yes, bromine છે એ એક liquid છે, non-metal છે. Yes, at room temperature. Bromine is a liquid non-metal at room temperature. Now, helium is the lowest melting point liquid mercury is the lowest melting point liquid metal. Mercury નું melting point ખૂબ જ low છે, એટલે room temperature ઉપર તે liquid છે. Like mercury, gallium having melting point 29.8. એટલે ઉનાળામાં in summer it in liquid state. Cesium also melting point 28.5. Francium also in summer it will be in liquid state. Francium are metal having low melting point. Gallium is used in making high temperature thermometer because of its low melting and high. હવે આપણે આ શું કામ why we are studying about this? In your exam this type of question is asked. Gallium is used in making high temperature thermometer because of its low melting and high boiling point. Gallium છે whenever in the factories temperature is very high, the machine, otherwise scientific practical, whenever temperature is high, for measuring we are not using mercury having thermometer but gallium due to low melting point and high boiling point having gallium. Germanium is transparent in infrared region. Germanium છે transparent છે infrared region, and therefore it is used in the making of infrared window. So we are making some infrared windows, prism and lenses. Infrared easily passes throughout the germanium, so infrared window, nothing else. Prism in our physics lab, lenses. Now selenium is used as a photoconductor in photocopying. Xerox machine ma we are using selenium, remember. And also for decolorizer of glass. કાચ હોય એમાંથી color remove કરવો હોય તો as a color remover selenium we are using. Tellurium and polonium are highly toxic. Both are poisonous. The latter more, polonium. So because of intense radioactivity, polonium વધારે ઝેરી છે, radioactive છે. Among metals, tungsten has highest melting and boiling point. But this metal, non-metal nothing. I am not talking about non-metals. In all the metals, highest melting boiling point of tungsten. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are kept in kerosene oil. Potassium, sodium, rubidium, cesium easily combines with air, moisture, water, so we have to kept inside the kerosene. Kerosene ma they react nahi kare. Phosphorus is highly reactive, so we can't stay white or yellow, not red or black. Red phosphorus and black is stable, but yellow, white is highly. Yellow and white both are same. Pure oil to white oil, impure oil to yellow, kept in water. Water સાથે react નહીં કરે room temperature ઉપર. So we are keeping in water. Fluorine is the most electronegativity element. આખા periodic table માં fluorine possesses highest electronegativity, which is 4. Cesium is the most electropositive. એટલે electron losing nature highest of the periodic table is of cesium due to lowest ionization enthalpy. એટલે તો photo cell માં cesium metal use થાય છે. સેજે sunlight આવે એટલે electrons release થાય. H minus negative ion. and I minus. Smallest and largest respectively. સૌથી smallest negative ion પૂછાય તો H minus. સૌથી largest anion પૂછાય negative ion તો I minus. H plus and CS plus are the smallest and largest cation. સૌથી smallest cation તો H plus. સૌથી largest cation તો cesium plus. Helium has the maximum ionization potential. Yes, sir. Hydrogen करता है વધારે. Yes. Hydrogen configuration 1s1. Helium having 1s2. Here 2 electron is paired. Here only 1 which is unpaired. So here only 1 electron. Here 2. Paired electron पर attraction of the nucleus should be high. And upper less. So ionization enthalpy highest of the helium. કારણ કે 1s close to the nucleus. But 1s માં 1 છે એના કરતા 2 ઉપર attraction high હોય. Oxygen is the most abundant element on the earth. Earth ઉપર સૌથી વધારે મળતું એલિમેન્ટ બધા જ એલિમેન્ટમાં ઓક્સિજન. Aluminium is the most abundant metal. મેટલમાં ફર્સ્ટ નંબર ઉપર એલ્યુમિનિયમ. બધા જ એલિમેન્ટમાં ફર્સ્ટ ઉપર ઓક્સિજન. મેટલ, નોન મેટલ, સેમી મેટલ તો ઓક્સિજન. હું ઓનલી મેટલમાં કહું તો એલ્યુમિનિયમ. પછી ટ્રાન્ઝિશન મેટલમાં કહું ઓલ મેટલમાં એલ્યુમિનિયમ. ટ્રાન્ઝિશન મેટલમાં હાઈએસ્ટ અબન્ડન્ટ આયન. પછી ગેસિયસ સ્ટેટમાં કહું તો નાઇટ્રોજન ઇન ધ એટમોસ્ફિયર. Among metals, silver is the best conductor of electricity. એટલે બધા જ મેટલમાં highest conductivity of the silver at room temperature. Where lead is the poorest conductor of electricity. Among non-metal, carbon has the highest melting point. હવે carbon is actually non-metal, but it has the highest melting point, 4100 degrees Celsius. Diamond is the hardest natural substance. આ બધા સબસ્ટેન્સીસમાં diamond, carbon is the hardest natural substances. Now allotropes of the carbon are 3: graphite, diamond and fullerene. So out of 3, diamond is the hardest. Chlorine has maximum electroaffinity and highest electron gain enthalpy exceptionally. Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. So chlorine stood first due to exception. Exception છે. Fluorine ને chlorine ની વધારે હોય. Highest in the periodic table. Uranium is the heaviest naturally occurring element. Our natural elements are hydrogen to up to uranium. So uranium is the heaviest. It having mass 235 to 238 up to atomic mass. In isotopes, it possesses heavy mass. Plutonium is the most poisonous element. Plutonium છે most poisonous element છે. Cesium has the lowest electronegativity and lightest liquid metal. Yes, cesium ની size મોટી છે એટલે density low હોય. So density is equal to mass upon volume. અહીંયા mass કરતા volume big છે. Density is very low. So it is lightweight metal. Tellurium is the most stable element. Boron is the lightest solid non-metal with highest tensile strength. Boron છે સૌથી light solid છે પણ which is non-metal છે. Highest tensile strength. So when we combine boron with another element, so it gives boron aluminium. We are using in aeroplane. Boron steel. આપણે 4-wheel અને બધાનું જે હોય છે પતરું બરાબર એ શું હોય છે લોખંડ boron steel છે. Among non-metals, sulfur is the most poorest conductor of current. sulfur is non-metal. Conductivity is very less of the sulfur. Last, osmium is the heaviest solid metal. Osmium is metal. Highest density of which metal? Lowest density is of cesium. And highest is of osmium. And also density of it 22.57 gram per milliliter. So 1 milliliter, so 22.57 gram થાય, which is too much. And osmium, another question, possesses +8, highest oxidation number having compound. Now chapter over. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. We will meet in the next lecture. Bye.